Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Apple leather link strap that I just got in the mail. I'm rocking this sport band today, just changed it up a little bit, but I just got the leather link in the mail and I got it for a classier look, just to mix it up sometimes too. So let's unbox and see what we got. Nice and easy right there. Apple Watch. Some paperwork. Just came in. It's gonna be tough to get out. Well, you just pop this out, slide it out. Something, there we go. There it is. It's got the brown there. I got the small medium, says natural leather up top for the 45 millimeter. Looks nice. The magnets are pretty strong, stronger than I thought. Let's see how it looks on the watch. Let's move all this to the side. Here's the watch. Let's pull this off. Let's pull this off. It's already sticking pretty well. There's one side. And there's the other. And there you go. It's got a shade of blue to it. I mean, that's what the midnight color is, but I think overall it looks pretty legit, looks pretty good. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. Should just be able just to right on there like that. And there you go. Just magnets hold it together. It seemed to be a little loose. I went for the smaller one because I heard a lot of people say that the big one didn't do them very well. It was too big, so I went for the smaller one, but I like it. It seems good. It seems like a nice fit. So there you have it. Apple Watch leather link.